This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Lovely home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and laundry room. Vaulted ceiling and open floor plan make this house feel bigger than the square footage. Tile floors throughout. Crown molding, share rails, and updated kitchen all add elegance and charm. Owner will consider 1 small pet, no danger breeds, with pet rent shall be $1,650 per month and security deposit will be $2,250. Owners seeking good credit scores. Renter's insurance, lease prep fee and last month's rent will be required. Note: washer, dryer and lawn care not included. For more info or to see this property call/text Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information. Review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.